In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off safe browsing on Google Chrome. Before we start, a quick heads up. Safe browsing is a built-in Chrome feature that warns you about dangerous sites, downloads, and extensions. Turning it off removes those warnings, so only proceed if you understand the risks and have a specific reason, like troubleshooting or testing. You can always turn it back on later. With Chrome open, look to the top right corner of the window, click the three vertical dots to open the menu. This is the More menu, and it's where Chrome keeps most of its tools and settings. From that menu, select Settings. This opens a new tab dedicated to your Chrome settings, so you can adjust how the browser behaves without leaving your current session. On the settings page, find Privacy and Security. It's usually in the left sidebar. Click it to see options related to your browsing data, cookies, and protection features. This section controls how Chrome keeps you safe while you browse. Next, choose Security. This is where safe browsing lives, alongside options for secure DNS and other protections. Clicking Security will show you the levels of protection available. Here, select No Protection. You'll also see a note that this option isn't recommended. That's because it disables alerts about potentially harmful sites, downloads, and extensions. If your goal is to temporarily remove those warnings, for instance, to access a known safe internal site or to test how a page behaves without safe browsing, this is the setting you're looking for. When you choose No Protection, Chrome will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you're aware of the change. Click Turn Off to confirm. Once you do, safe browsing is disabled and Chrome will stop showing those protective warnings. That's it. You've successfully turned off safe browsing in Google Chrome. A few tips before you go. If you're on a work or school device, an administrator might manage this setting and you may not be able to change it. If you don't see the exact labels mentioned here, make sure Chrome is up to date, as wording can vary slightly by version. And if you only needed this off temporarily, consider returning to the security page later and switching back to standard protection to restore the default safeguards. Browse carefully, avoid unfamiliar downloads, and only visit sites you trust while this protection is off. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and simple.